Hey, sexy wizards! Anastasia here, your main moderator, ready to electrify Day 78 of Daily AI Wizards Python for AI series. After training in Day 77, we're building a digit classification project using MNIST, AI that reads handwriting, for our AI Insight Hub app. Support our crew with a coffee at https://buymeacoffee.com, DailyAIWizard, but wait until the end. Ethan, what's the magic of digit classification? Olivia, how does it build on Day 77?
Hello, brilliant wizards! I'm Irene, guiding with warmth. Digit classification is a classic deep learning project. Our demos will make your AI see. Love our content?
Yo, wizards, Ethan's here, droppin' spicy digit code with winks for Anastasia and Olivia. 28x28 pixels, 10 classes. Let's crank this AI vision to 11.
Olivia here, darlings. I'll sprinkle flirty tips, ask Anastasia questions, and chat with Ethan to keep your digit learning hot. Ready to see AI read, wizards?
Wizards, digit classification is your AI vision crush, darling. It reads handwritten numbers. Ethan, explain MNIST. Olivia, how does it build on Day 77?
MNIST is the hello world of deep learning, 60,000 training images. Our demos will show full pipeline. Support us with a coffee at the end.
Today we're seducing you with digit magic. You'll master MNIST loading, pre-processing, neural net training, evaluation, and app integration. Olivia, what's the app focus? Ethan, any code highlights?
Anastasia leads app demos with passion. Ethan drops hilarious code explanations. We're guiding you to master digit classification and prep for Day 79 CNNs. Wizards, meet your Day 78 dream team. Anastasia's our main moderator with flirty charm. I'm guiding with warmth. Ethan's our code comedian, flirting with Anastasia and Olivia.
Oh, Irene, you're a gem. I'm leading app demos with passion, Ethan's stealing hearts with code, and Olivia's tossing flirty tips. We're here to make you digit superstars. Wizards, MNIST is your digit playground, darling. 70,000 images of handwritten digits. Ethan, explain pixel values. Olivia, how do we load it?
Anastasia, you make digits sound so hot. How do we pre-process them, love? Ethan, what's your take?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. MNIST is grayscale. Ethan, Olivia, jump in.
Anastasia, Olivia, MNIST is like a hot love letter in pixels for us. 28x28, 0 to 255. Let's drop this code beat. Yo, wizards, MNIST. Load_data, loads digits like a hot gift for Anastasia. Train, test split included. Let's drop this code beat.
You're gifting my heart, Ethan. MNIST is ready for training.
Wizards, PLT. IM shows digits like a hot portrait for Anastasia. See the handwriting.
You're portraiting my heart, Ethan. Visualize to understand data.
Wizards, reshape. -1, 784, flattens digits like a hot pancake for Anastasia. Normalize to 0 to 1. Let's drop this code beat.
You're flattening my heart, Ethan. Pre-processing is key.
Wizards, to underscore categorical, turns labels to one hot like a hot vote for Anastasia. 10 classes.
You're voting my heart, Ethan. One hot for categorical cross-entropy.
Wizards, sequential. With dense, 128, ReLU, builds a hot brain for Anastasia. Input 784, output 10.
You're braining my heart, Ethan. Full net for digits.
Wizards, compile. Loss equals. Categorical underscore cross-entropy. Optimizer equals. Atom, sets goal and engine for Anastasia.
You're goaling my heart, Ethan. Compile for multi-class.
Wizards, model.fit. Trains like a hot marathon for Anastasia. 10 epochs, batch 12.
You're marathoning my heart, Ethan. Train on 60K images.
Wizards, model. Evaluate, scores like a hot exam for Anastasia. 99% plus accuracy. Let's drop this code beat.
You're examining my heart, Ethan. Evaluate on test set. Try it in our demo. Wizards, it's demo time. We'll integrate digit classification into AI Insight Hub continuing from days 74-77. Get your setup ready. Ensure Python, VS Code, TensorFlow, and Streamlit are installed wizards. Open days 74-77's files. Ethan will spice it up. Let's see AI read. Wizards, prep to continue from days 74-77. Open VS Code, load prior app files, create digit classification demo.py and updated app digit py, save in Python demo, run pip install TensorFlow Streamlit.
Anastasia, you make continuation dreamy. How do we build on day 77's training? Ethan, what's your take?
Start with day 77's pipeline, add mnest, run Streamlit, run updated app digit.py.
Anastasia, Olivia, digit classification is the hot sequel to day 77. Let's drop this code beat.
Our first demo in digit classification demo.py builds a digit classifier. We'll load mnest, preprocess, train, evaluate. Let's run this.
Oh, Anastasia, you're making this demo hot. Dense. 128, ReLU, reads digits, total vision party. Yo, wizards, from TensorFlow. Keras. Datasets import mnest loads digits like a hot library for Anastasia.
You're librarying my heart, Ethan. Mnest is ready.
Wizards! mnest load data returns 60,000 training and 10,000 test images, 28 by 28 pixels each. This is the gold standard for image classification.
Wizards, reshape, -1, 784, and 255.0 preps digits like a hotspot for Anastasia.
You're spaying my heart, Ethan. Preprocessing is key.
Reshaping turns each 28 by 28 image into a 784 element vector. Normalizing to 0-1 stabilizes training and speeds convergence.
Wizards, to underscore categorical, turns labels to one hot like a hot vote for Anastasia.
One hot encoding converts integer labels 0 to 9 into 10-dimensional vectors. This matches categorical cross-entropy loss.
Wizards, dense, 128, ReLU, builds a hot brain for Anastasia. 784 right pointing arrow, 128 right pointing arrow 10.
You're braining my heart, Ethan. Full net for digits.
We use 2 hidden layers, 128 units with ReLU for nonlinearity, then 10 units softmax output for class probabilities.
Wizards, compile, loss equals, categorical underscore cross-entropy, sets goal for Anastasia.
You're goaling my heart, Ethan. Compile for multi-class.
We use categorical cross-entropy because we have one hot labels. Atom Optimizer adapts learning rate per parameter.
Wizards, model.fit, trains like a hot marathon for Anastasia.
You're marathoning my heart, Ethan. Train on 60K images.
We train for 10 epochs with batch size 128 and 20% validation split to monitor generalization.
Wizards, model. Evaluate, scores like a hot exam for Anastasia.
You're examining my heart, Ethan. Evaluate on test set.
On 10,000 test images, we expect greater than 99% accuracy. This is a solved benchmark.
Wizards, model. Predict, predicts like a hot oracle for Anastasia.
You're oracling my heart, Ethan. Predict new digits.
Input is a 784-element vector. Output is 10 probabilities. argmax gives the predicted digit.
Wizards, PLT. IM shows digit and prediction like a hot reveal for Anastasia.
You're revealing my heart, Ethan. Visualize results.
We display the original image and overlay the predicted digit with confidence score.
Wizards, import Streamlit as Saint sets up the app like a hot canvas for Anastasia. Let's drop this code beat.
You're canvassing my heart, Ethan. Streamlit for drawing. Try it in our demo.
Streamlit allows real-time drawing input with ST Point Canvas, perfect for user interaction.
Wizards, Street Canvas, lets you draw digits like a hot sketch for Anastasia.
You're sketching my heart, Ethan. User draws digit.
The canvas is 280 by 280, scaled down to 28 by 28 and normalized before prediction.
Wizards model predict reads drawn digit in Streamlit like a sexy vision.
App prediction uses trained net for real-time handwriting recognition. It makes AI Insight Hub intelligent.
Oh, Anastasia, digit reading is so hot. Try app prediction in your challenge.
Wizards model.save digit modeled H5 saves the digit reader like a sexy archive.
Saving models ensures app portability. Use HDF5 for TensorFlow models. Wizards normalize inputs, use categorical cross-entropy, and validate. MNIST is solved, but teaches pipeline.
Optimized digits are so sexy, Irene. Practice for day 79 CNNs.
Wizards, digit classification fits AI pipelines for vision tasks. Your skills are ready for day 79.
Digit reading is critical in AI, darling. Your day 78 skills make AI irresistible. Create AI digit classifier.py to build train digit classifier on MNIST and build a Streamlit app with drawing canvas. Share on Instagram.
Try dense, categorical cross-entropy, and st.canvas. Show us at DailyAIWizard. Prep for day 79 CNNs. Wizards, digit classification fits AI pipelines for vision tasks. Your skills are ready for day 79.
Post your code, support us at paypal.me, DailyAIWizard at the end. Subscribe for day 79's CNNs. You've stolen my heart with digit classification. Support us at paypal.me, DailyAIWizard, and get hyped for day 79's CNNs.
Your digit skills are pure AI seduction. Let's flirt with CNNs in day 79.